Hi everyone, today's my recipe millets recipe. Eat one time is enough for whole day. For this recipe, we will add required proteins and carbohydrates to this recipe. Take 1 cup. This is called sama rice. And soak 2 hours. Wash and soak. I'm using same water and take 2 tablespoons of masoor dal and 2 tablespoons of gram dal, green gram dal. Wash with clean water 2 to 3 times and transfer to mixer dal and this sama rice. Add same water and we need for this quantity 5 cups of water and add a half teaspoon of chili powder and a half teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. Mix well, then whistle for 4 to 5 times and take a big vessel or big kadai. Add 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 red chili, and 1 small onion sliced, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, few curry leaves, green chili, 1 or 2. Fry them until raw smell goes away. Now add masalas, turmeric, roasted cumin powder, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of curry powder or chili powder. If you don't have curry powder, you can add chili powder. Fry them in oil for 1 or 2 minutes. Then add veggies. I'm using here Madras cucumber, beans, carrot, capsicum, and tomato. Fry 1 or 2 minutes these vegetables. Now add salt. Vegetables will release water. It will cook easily and fastly. Now add 1 small tomato chopped. Already half cooked. Then add 2 cups of water. Then cook until soft. Close and cook. It will take 4 to 5 minutes time. After 4 minutes, veggies are cooked well. Now add 3 tablespoons of thick tamarind juice and 1 teaspoon of jaggery powder or little bit jaggery and a half teaspoon garam masala, 1/4 teaspoon to half teaspoon of hing. It will give good fragrance and taste to our dish. Mix well, cook for 2 minutes. Now cooker is ready. Cooked well, perfectly. Water is enough. Now add this millet to our curry. Then adjust the water. Mix well. Our dish almost ready. Now cook for 4 to 5 minutes. This is one recipe is enough for whole day. This will give health. For side dish, fry the puppet. At the final stage, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and fresh coriander. If you added first instead of oil ghee, no need ghee it in this stage. Now recipe is ready. Please prepare well and eat well. Be happy and be healthy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Thanks.